Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete and rebuild your index on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result, check it back with Control Panel. Go ahead and select that. And then up at the top right where it says View By, click the drop down and select Large Icons. And then select Indexing Options. And now you want to select the Advanced button at the bottom. And now that we are here, you want to go ahead and select where it says Delete and Rebuild Index. You just go ahead and select Rebuild at that point, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.